Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Yellowtail, 2 pieces. Salt the yellowtail and rest for 15 minutes. Mirin, 150 milliliters. Sake, 90 milliliters. Soy sauce, 30 milliliters. Lightly sprinkle flour on the yellowtail. Cut the ginger in thin pieces. Heat vegetable oil in a pan on high heat and lay the yellowtail. Make green marks on both sides and the skin as well. Wipe off excess oil off of the yellowtail and the pan. Pour in the sauce. Let it simmer, and once large bubbles starts to form, flip over. Once there are small bubbles, take the yellowtail out on the pan. Simmer the sauce on medium heat. Add in ginger. Once the volume of the sauce starts to decrease, add the yellowtail back in. Pour in the tamari soy sauce evenly. Swirl the pan to spread the sauce evenly. Simmer until it has caramelized. Serve on a plate and top with ginger. Again, here are the ingredients for 2 servings.